Hi everybody, and welcome to today's video. And we're going to be doing some parallel parking with Sophie again today. It's been about a week and a half, hasn't it?
Yeah.
So when you're ready, we're going to drive off and we're going to do a left at the roundabout. And shall I pick the car to do it on?
Yeah.
It's quite tricky, isn't it, with that being behind you?
Yeah. Should I put us forward or other way?
Right shoulder.
Other way.
Right shoulder. Right shoulder next time.
Sorry.
And left here, please. I don't think we've been on the state for a while, have we?
No.
We're clear to get out past these cars.
Nope.
How's it looking up there?
Yeah.
Let's carry on then. What about that Nissan there, the T-Veg Micro? Get yourself next to this Micro here. Get a bit closer. That's it, because it's only a narrow road. I'm going to reverse into that space behind us, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it, yeah. That's it. Do you want help? Yeah? So just check.
One that way.
That's it, yeah. Just check, make sure you're happy that no one's around us. And then, like I say, one turn towards me. And then once you've got your angle, that's it. That's good. That's good what you're doing there. Just take your time with your clutch, because you know that's to rush things. There's your angle now, isn't it?
Mm.
So it's one turn towards you now, isn't it?
Like that?
That's it, yeah. That straightens up, doesn't it? Quick look around. And we're going to head to the curb. Sun's behind us, makes it a bit hard. So you can either look in the mirror and get closer. You could use that camera there as well, because there's a camera in this car. That's about there, isn't it?
Yeah. And then.
That's it towards you, yeah. Just start off with one full turn, and if you think it's getting a bit too close, you could put a bit more on as well. But if you feel like you're already too close, then just lock it straight away. So it's getting a bit closer, isn't it? So put more on. That's it. See, it's coming in, and the front's coming in at the same time. Quite nice now, isn't it? You can see the back's looking all right, front's coming in. Actually, it's just about getting to the curb, isn't it, there?
Mm-hmm.
So what we're going to do.
Go forward and then.
Yeah. Just look round, make sure you're happy. Get your steering on, nice big steer, get it on. That's it. That's it, excellent. That's what I do. Because it's getting to the point where you can just see it's getting to the curb.
Yeah.
So if we think you're getting too close, get the lock on.
Mm-hmm.
Let's pop it in reverse. Let's reverse back and we'll find another one. That's good. Good observation then. And just hold that clutch steady. You're up and down a bit, aren't it? That's it. And then we'll go and find another one to do that.
I think that's far enough back, isn't
Yeah,
it?
that's definitely enough for you. The maximum you can go is 2 car lengths, which includes this car.
Okay.
So what about the silver car in front of us on the left?
Yep.
So we'll get ourselves next to the silver car. Now, if a car was behind you, you would show a signal here, wouldn't we? Mm-hmm. Tell them that we're stopping. A bit closer to the left. Because if you're too wide, even though you want to be wide, when you turn left, you're going to clip the curb on the right, aren't you? Yeah. So you don't want it too wide. And if you've got double parked cars, it's even harder.
Yeah.
That's it.
And then.
That's the one, yeah. You remember then straight away, yeah. Bit more clutch.
I'm going forward.
That's it. It's just slightly on a hill.
Okay.
So that's why it started rolling forward, a bit more clutch, wasn't it? Yeah. Hold that clutch steady.
Just that.
That's the one, yeah.
And then
That's it. That's it, yeah. That's it.
sun.
Doing fine. Remember, difficult to see with the sun. If you see the camera there, it's getting quite close. So that's about as close as you want to be. That brings the front in then, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So the back's going to be fine this time, isn't it? So let the front coming in. That's it. Do it now. We're steering.
Oh.
So as you're moving, take the steering off now. All right.
Oh.
Happy, yeah?
Yep.
Right. So yeah, so at the end then when we're coming in, because it's looking quite neat, take the steering off just before it gets straight, because if you leave your steering on and it's tight to the curb, there's a risk your front wheel on the left's going to hit the curb, isn't it? So you take the steering off so it straightens up as you're coming in.
Yeah.
One more? Do you want to choose the next one?
Okay.
Okay, yeah? All right. So when it's safe to pull out, we'll pull out.
Oh, that car's coming in.
Go right shoulder when it's safe.
Doing that one.
Okay then. It's a bit like that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Not bad cars, then.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, me father-in-law's family's got one. They've had one for about 2 years, I think. White one again, so white must be the colour.
Yeah.
For that.
I think so. This way.
Yeah.
Yep. Oh no.
Right. That's it. No.
Didn't think about it.
That's what you got to think, right? Don't worry about it. That's it, yeah. That's the one, yeah. Just leave it as it is and just reverse the curb. And there's a lot of people waiting for you, isn't there?
Yeah.
Just got to keep going slowly, keep looking round.
Staring me a little.
That'll do. Other way. And full lock you want to put on. And brake neutral. You finished? Okay.
That was a lot of pressure.
Yeah, two lots of cars, isn't it? You one inside, behind you, front of you. So when did you notice they were there?
Sorry?
When did you notice that there were two cars waiting?
When I was...
We started popping in reverse and returning.
Yeah.
There's only both turn, isn't there?
Yeah.
The best thing you can do then is what? He said it.
Just ignore them.
Ignore them, yeah. Be aware that they're there, because if they try to go around you, you need to stop them, don't you?
Yeah.
But don't let them put you off, because what's going to happen then is you're going to forget what you should be doing, or you're going to just rush and mount the curb.
Yeah.
All right. We happy? Should we move on? Well, if you've enjoyed Sophie doing a parallel park, if you want to give us some advice, words of encouragement, then go for it. We'll see you next time. Take care, everybody. Bye.